Let me ask you something. Have you been feeling different lately? You are outgrowing the version you are used to. You might be going through spiritual awakening. Oh, it's not some mythical fantasy. It's real and powerful. You start noticing signs. You feel emotional, but not like you are used to, but more deeply. You crave solitude, not because you're lonely, but because you're changing. Your souls need solitude. Old people, old patterns, even old dreams start to fall apart. You feel disconnected from once you felt safe and drawn to something that feeds your soul. It's not always peaceful. Sometimes it feels like your world is falling apart. But it's not falling apart. It's falling together. It's falling into place. You are waking up to your truth, to your power, and to your purpose. Even though the pain might feel lonely, know this. You are never alone. You are being guided. Your soul knows exactly what it is taking you. The healing journey isn't a straight line. It's not some Instagram quote or a one-time breakthrough. It's crying over things you thought were done. It's pulling away from people you once felt like home. It's feeling lost, then suddenly found, then lost again. Healing is a progress. It's deep, raw, and sometimes invisible. Someday you feel strong and clear, and the other days you will ever wonder if you made any progress at all. Thank you. This is my advice and tips for you today about spiritual awakening. If you feel any of these symptoms or signs, please continue to watch my video. Thank you. May love and light be with you wherever you go. Bye-bye.